Hello everyone, you're welcome back. We're going to solve for the value of x from this exponential equation, and the given equation is 3 to the power of x plus 2 plus 3 to the power of x is equal to 10 over 81. To solve this equation, the first thing we need to recall is multiplication property of indices. Recall that when we have a raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of n, this is the same as a raised to the power of m plus n. So this is multiplication property we are going to apply to the first term. So as you can see, this first term is written in this form: a to the power of m plus n, 3 raised to the power of x plus 2. So we are going to transform it into this form. So the base is a, and here the base is 3. So to write it in this form, we are going to have 3 raised to the power of x, then multiply by 3 raised to the power of 2, then plus 3 raised to the power of x, which is equal to 10 over 81. So the next thing we're going to do is to simplify further. So here we have 3 raised to the power of 2 is constant. So 3 to power 2 implies 3 multiplied by 3, which is going to give us 9. So we're going to have 9 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x, then plus 3 raised to the power of x, which is equal to 10 over. This 81 can also be written as 3 to the power of 4, because when you multiply 3 by 3 by 3 by 3 in 4 places, is going to give us 81. So the next thing we're going to do, if you consider the left hand side of this equation, as you can see, 9 of 3 to power x, and here is just 1 of 3 to the power of x. So this is the same as 1 of 3 to the power of x. So we can add them together since they have the same 3 to power x, 3 to power x. So 9 of 3 to the power of x plus 1 of 3 to the power of x is going to give us 10 of 3 to the power of x, which is equal to 10. Then this 3 to the power of 4, when we take it up, is going to be inverse. Recall that when we have x over y raised to the power of -1, this is the same as x multiplied by y. So when this one go up, the negative will change to positive, and if it is positive here, it's going to change to negative. So in this case that is positive, when this go up, the power is going to change to negative. So we are going to have 10 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of -4. So this is equivalent to this. So the next thing we're going to do, remember we are looking for the value of x, is to divide both sides of this equation by 10, so that we first eliminate this 10. So we divide the left hand side by 10 and also the right hand side by 10. So this 10 is going to cancel this 10. We are left with 3 to the power of x, which is equal to, this 10 is going to cancel this 10. We have 3 raised to the power of -4. So next thing is for you to recall that when you have an equation and the bases are the same, so that means the power is also the same. So which means that we're going to cancel out the base and equate the power. So the first power is x, which is equal to the second power, which is -4. So therefore, -4 is the value of x that satisfies this exponential equation. Now, for us to confirm if truly this -4 satisfies the equation, then we're going to substitute s as -4 into the left hand side, so that we see if the left hand side is going to be the same as the right hand side. So let us check. So to check, so we're going to quickly check if the x is equal to -4 satisfy the equation. So let's recopy our original equation, which is 3 to the power of x plus 2, then plus 3 to the power of x, which is equal to 10 over 81. So the next thing we are going to do is to do our substitution. So anywhere we see x, we are going to replace -4. So we have 3 raised to the power of -4 plus 2 plus 3 raised to the power of -4. So let's simplify this. If this is going to give us 10 over 81, so this is going to be equal to 3, -4 plus 2 is going to give us -2, then plus 3 raised to the power of -4. So now the next step, this 3 raised to the power of -2 can also be written as 1 all over 3 raised to the power of 2. Then plus this can also be written as 1 all over 3 raised to the power of 4. When this is going to come down, the negative will change to positive. So this is going to be equal to 1 all over 3 square is the same as 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9, plus 1 over 3 to power 4 is going to give us 81. So here we are going to take the LCM. The LCM of 81 and 9 is the same as 81. Then we roll a division line. 81 divided by 9 is going to be 9. The 9 multiplied by 1 is going to be 9, plus 81 divided by 81 is 1. Then 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So this is going to be equal to 9 plus 1 is 10, then over 81. So as you can see, the left hand side is the same as the right hand side of this equation. So therefore, x is equal to negative 4 satisfy this exponential equation. Thank you for watching, and please follow us for more videos like this. Thanks.